So the next one is not so much a question, but Sean posted a new app and I thought that it was interesting. So I actually went and I grabbed the app. This is Sean's post. I was just like, oh, interesting. So what I did was I prepared 2 pages because we're going to do it twice to see how it works. And I'm using AI images, so I'm going to see if it works with AI images. I created both of these image. So let's start over here with her. And of course, when we're going to do apps, we're going to go over here to apps. And I had it up ready. So ClayFX. And so when I did it earlier, there we go. And it asks you like how much effect do you want. So let's transform the image. I did not click on anything. It gives you five image generation for the day that you can transform. So use it wisely because this one only give you 5. So this is what we have. And let me go find the original upload. Come on. That's not what I wanted to do, but okay, let's go back. So we're going to go to apps. I'm not sure if it's me or if it's Canva, but everything is working really slow today. So what do you think, Gata? I mean, I personally think it did a good job. So it changed I guess it changed her ethnicity a little bit. She was a little bit darker. So here's the other gentleman. I'm going to do it twice cuz I want to see exactly what it's doing and if it actually complies or if it's very generic so everything will come out Caucasian or does it actually do it the way you want it. So that's the only difference that I noticed with the young lady is it changed her ethnicity. So let's do this again. So now we're at 2. So let's see. And then we're going to talk about the 12th day of Christmas and I'm going to check to see who has been doing the challenges because I think that if we work together as a group and a team even if you're not sure of what you're doing, I'm pretty sure that we can help you with getting it done. You can do it with elements or you can do AI image generation. It's all up to you. How are you feeling today, Miss Gata? So we're just waiting patiently for it to change. Okay, so let's see what we have coming our way. So it says complex images might take a little longer. It's fine, baby. Might take a little bit longer. Well, I'm glad you're feeling at least slightly better. But you need to get some rest and no more with that all that sorry, no more digging up dandelions. Okay, so let's do this. It got the close part correct, but you tell me, what do you think? Gata, I'm looking for your feedback. I actually think it did a halfway decent job with his features. The stand is very similar body wise. It added buttons, so would I try it and use it again? Yes. And next time, what I'm gonna do is maybe do maybe a photo of myself or my husband just to see how it turned out. But I think it's pretty good. It's decent. I have to say it's decent. I have no I'm not good at judging things. The colors aren't the same, but similar. Black is black. The size of the head, and if you look at this, the ears, they actually go pretty good together. But guess what? Let me be Margot. Let me see if this will allow me to do it. Cut, cut, cut. Right, Miss Gata? What do you think?